Okay, so I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2010 plate Audi Q7. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. Then, let's see if it comes up there first. We may have to go into the settings. Right, so click telephone, search for a new mobile phone there, select, it's looking for a phone, taking its time. Hands-free's come up there, that's probably a vehicle going by. The reason it's taking its time here is my phone has been paired to this vehicle today and I've just deleted it, so I've probably confused the system. Should perhaps have switched the vehicle off and back on again before I tried to do this. Barry's iPhone, so that it's come up. Click select, click hands-free. It's connecting. Accept pin 8712. Click yes. So we now have to type in 8712. Click pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Sadly, I won't be using this again. The channel will probably commandeer the keys off me straight away, so I'll click don't allow there. That's it connected.